Okay, my people. I went to bed last night and look at this out here, all piled up again, like a blizzard. Is it? It is a blizzard. The blizzard of 2010. Wow. Wow. Can you believe this? Wow, I can. These manipulations of some pitiful God. And the sun wanted to come out, but no. It was blowing in my face. Got people shoveling before the storm is over. My mother used to say, cleaning up behind children is like going out and shoveling the snow before the storm is over. And you got people out here, he's shoveling down there. I can't get him in. There you go. Everybody got a peep up. Alright, peeps. The Bahamas sound real good right about now.